Hello, this is from Vijayakumar, Department of Physics, SNSCE College of Engineering. Today I am taking a new topic in environmental science, the Unit 5, Social Issues and the Environment. The topic is climate change, global warming, acid rain and ozone layer depletion. These are all the factors to be effect of the environmental to the form of social issues. This is a very important social issues, but the effect is very important in environmental changes. First, the introduction part of this topic is the natural greenhouse effect has been a part of basic of the life on earth activities. Since the early atmosphere it became formed, without it greenhouse, our plant would be frozen mass perhaps in a 30 degrees Celsius, colder than it's in a today's. So the surface weather station, ship, buoys, balloons, satellites, ice cones and other, it's a form of the sources to be indicated in a climate change of the earth becomes in a warmer. So the global warming versus climate changes. The gradual increase of the earth's surface atmospheric temperature is called as a global warming. It will be changed, the climate of the earth, it also to be changed. So the longer term change in global weather pattern, the climate is also to be changed. The increased greenhouse gas concentration to based on the following of the gases. The one is in the carbon dioxide, the second one methane and tropospheric ozones and chlorofluorocarbon in the atmospheric ranges. So it became its form of 1700 human activities has been increased in the concentration of greenhouse gases. Many other greenhouse gases has been added in atmospheric to based on the human activities. Methane, natural gas, coal and oils, nitrous oxides and the CFCs. So this all to be affected in an atmospheric range to the based on the human activity. Then reducing the amount of future climate changes is called as a form of the mitigating. So this all is an assignment questions. The next one, acid rain. We discussed another one topic of the same topic. Is an acid rain. It's a climate reaction began when the component like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides. So these two components to be form of the acid rain in this earth atmosphere. So this has become formed in the atmosphere. The many of environmental to be changed in this. The next one is the depletion of the ozone layer. The ozone is form of the natural protect of in our atmosphere. So it's naturally produced in the stratosphere. It's a form of a ozone molecule consists of 3 atom of oxygen that we say is a O3 rather than the more common 2 atom of O2. Then the classifications, it's a form of ozones. So ultraviolet radiation can be biologically harmful in many of the way. So prolonged ensure that UV productions to the form of this layer. So we avoid from skin cancer. Then and many of the diseases into the form of skin. Then diminish the yield of many crops. Then greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is at a work of atmosphere. The number of gases in the atmosphere is a form of greenhouse. It's very important. Is in a sunlight. So this all is a reference I prepared from this PPT to the form of the discussion in this topic of acid rain and global warming. Like this. Already we discussed in many topics of this environmental to urbanization of energy sources, then biodiversity, then life science, this topic is very important. At present day, we form in many of the factors to affecting of this. Thank you very much. We discuss in another one topic in another one videos. Thank you.